As most of you know, I used to live in Australia about 30 years ago, and you know what? Australians really do it better. This is Cygnett, a cell phone accessories company from Australia. This is the booth, and I'm going to show you a product that to me is very unique. So at CES, I received this Cygnett 10,000 milliamp wireless power bank and charging dock. Two main differences. Cygnett, Australian company, yay. And this power bank can be charged to the dock wirelessly. So no wire coming from here to there. You know, that's just, you just plop it in. And then I just put my iPhone in front of it and it charges automatically. But let's see. Da, 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 do, do, do. So considering I used to live in Australia, that's the reason I'm really excited every time I receive anything that's Australian. So this is the power bank. Oh, nice. Nice material, like it's rubbery. And it has, okay, these are the pins that goes to the dock. Has USB-A, micro USB, and USB-C output. And the USB-C can also be used as an input. It's a PD power thingy with the input of 3 amp at 15 watt or 2 amp at 18 watts. Ooh, nice. Very nice thick cable. And nothing flimsy here. And this is the US, Japan, and Canada head. Just need to put it here, and it's locked. This is the dock, made of very nice material, same rubbery material as this. Oh, nice. So I just have to do that. Okay. That's the angle. Plug in at the back here. This goes to the wall, and it has 2 more USB-A output. So I can have my Apple Watch cable going from here to there, well, to the charging, that magnetic thingy, and I can have another USB-A for whatever else I need. This is so cool. This is why I always tell people Australians do it better. Yep. I highly recommend this. Looks nice. The finish is nice. Price right, below 100 Canadian. And multifunctional. I only need to bring this to my next CES and I get my battery pack and one to charge my watch and another output to charge my iPad. Done. This is all I have to bring. Beautiful. Smart. Thanks, Cygnett. Thank you. So there you go. An Australian-owned company, Australian design, and as usual, Australians do it better.